What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Busch Gardens Tampa Bay, and today is a special day because the park has invited us out for a hard hat construction tour of Iron Gwazi. There's a lot to see and do. Let's go! So a lot of the fence line has been taken down since our last update. As you can see, it's been pushed back pretty much to the main entrance, but the queue is looking really nice. And here we are, beyond the construction walls, getting a look at the front entry area. As we can see, walls right there, we're beyond it, woo! So we have some nice different basket weaves up here for the lights. Those are new.
We haven't actually announced the date.
Does this one look like it's
Again, queue is looking good. We have speakers up there as well. Lights are going on. As you can see, they're turned on, so we have power. And then here is the old station. So we can see new paint on there. Everything looking nice and fresh.
We're absolutely thrilled.
Beautiful.
To see the, as most people have seen.
Alrighty guys, so we are with the man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Stuart Clark. Of course, we have Iron Gwazi right behind you. Can you tell me about what we're looking at progress-wise on this project?
Absolutely. Today as you go through our site, and actually you just have to drive by the park, and you'll get as excited as coaster fans as we are to be here. But the progress of that main lift hill is just moving right along. We keep adding more and more pieces of that track. We're looking forward to that final day when that last piece comes in, but we are super excited about the progress. You can see we've kind of hit the peak, the high points, and now it's just a matter of really rejuvenating or bringing back sort of those bones of Gwazi. As you look around me here, our team was able to really, sort of bring back some of the life of the original Gwazi project, and then now let it evolve into what we have behind me, which is all new Iron Gwazi. Pretty exciting.
Yeah, I agree. Now, I actually had a chance to work on Gwazi's crew back when it had the old trains and the new Millennium Flyers and whatnot. So me personally walking around, this area looks phenomenal. It really has been rejuvenated. Is there anything you can really say in regards to this project and then its involvement and meaning to the park? Obviously, this is one of the biggest undertakings you guys have ever done in the history of the park. So what does it mean to you?
It means a great deal. It means a great deal to our Busch Gardens family. It means a great deal to our past members out there. We keep hearing from past members. We're so excited to continue to be part of that family, and they know they're going to be one of the first to ride, obviously. But as we go through and you look at the history of the park, and we had Gwazi here for many years, people like you operating it, riding on it, having a great time. This is going to take that to literally all new heights and levels. So while some of the front of Gwazi may appear the same, the ride experience and the ride itself will be nothing like the original Gwazi. But we still, we're really proud to be able to kind of bring that legendary coaster and bring it all new life.
Good stuff. Is there one element on this ride that you're really looking forward to?
I think it's the same that everyone's looking forward to. You can't get to that height with that kind of drop and not be excited about that first time of riding. So I think that's the most anticipated, coaster ride of this coming coaster season. We hope that everybody, all of your fans out there, come in, and it is a great time to become a past member, become one of the first to ride this ride, and then you can keep riding all year long.
Yep, awesome stuff, Stuart. Of course, we're excited about Iron Gwazi. Thank you for speaking with us, and we'll be on it soon.
Alrighty, we'll see you soon, guys.
Alright, so here we are, walking over by the station area again. Old queue. And voila! Track! So there's the track right there. You can see more queuing over there. As of right now, we just have a barricade, but there is tons of queuing over that direction as well. And here we go. We're going to walk up into the station. Some of the old foundations right there. We used to have tunnels right in this area, but they've been filled in. You can still see some of the remnants of it right there. So that concrete, that's where the tunnel was. And in fact, you can see the outline of it too. New lighting, fans, speakers. Again, looking really nice. And then over here, check it out. So we have operators panels. One of them right there. The old operator panel used to be right there. So you would press the button. Now it's going to be right here. So again, we're in the station now, as you can see. Some of the air gates. There's one of the trains.
Dynamic, very fast ride. It's gonna be really fun.
When you plan to open it?
Yeah, so we are planning to open this attraction in Stuart. If you cut into it, it actually
Alrighty guys, so we're now with Mr. Andrew Schaefer, one of the head honchos behind Iron Gwazi. Good to see you again, bud. And can you tell me what we're doing here inside the station?
So we are here today with our construction hard hat tour. We've got our Iron Gwazi train featured right here behind me on the track. So we've got both of our ride vehicles actually on the track at this time. So it's kind of an exciting time for us.
Nice. Now, can you tell me about, it's been months getting to this point. How does it feel seeing the trains physically on the track?
It's actually pretty exciting. I was here for every minute of it when we were loading the first vehicle on the track, and then and so we got it rolled down into the station. So now they're doing all the alignment underneath in the maintenance area. We're getting all the proxies set. We're coupling the train. We're wiring it up. So we're getting everything prepped so that we could start actually running the ride vehicles.
Very nice. And of course, construction progress is nearing completion. We're getting pretty close. Of course, we're looking at a spring opening. Can you tell me what this ride is going to mean to you personally, now that you've been so involved with it?
Yeah. So I mean, with how much this ride, how much attention we're actually getting on this attraction, it's pretty exciting. So to me, this is a really exciting moment because, I don't know, everywhere you look, Iron Gwazi is kind of ranked high up there on the list of what people are anticipating for this year of attractions throughout the world. So that's pretty exciting for me to be involved and be in charge of this attraction. So I'm happy to be here. Yeah.
Now, I always ask the same question, and I'm gonna ask it again. Design elements and changes and stuff like that. What's been one of the most difficult things to overcome on this project so far?
I mean, really the most difficult thing was, again, it may sound a little bit like a broken record, but kind of like Tigris. I mean, we had to rebuild an existing station, and we've got to reutilize elements that were already out in the field from the old Gwazi attraction. So all of it, working around all the existing elements were very challenging. But I think we've done a great job getting it all to fit together. There's still a lot left to do and a lot of cleanup to do, but we're getting pretty close.
Now, I asked Stuart what would his favorite element that he's looking forward to on this ride. I'll ask you the same thing. What are you looking forward to?
Oh man, I feel like it's probably going to be the corkscrew, right? You kind of see it outside of the station here, but you're going to be going through that thing really fast. So I'm excited to see what that's going to be like.
Good stuff, Andrew. Thank you so much for speaking with us, and good luck with the rest of the project.
Yeah, thank you very much.
And check it out, guys. We have a train right over there in the maintenance barn, and another one right here in the station. And there we have it, a test dummy already in the seat. Well guys, that's going to do it for our video here from Busch Gardens Tampa Bay for our hard hat construction tour of Iron Gwazi. And I do want to say thank you to the park for inviting us out, as we had a chance to really get up close and personal with this awesome attraction opening up this spring. Of course, we're going to have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.